The following preview has been approved for appropriate audience. Motion pictures created by Bytes Crafter. Watching videos is advised. Visit our website for more videos. www.bytescrafter.com.
Hello guys, today we will unbox the Cruiser Advance. I bought from PC Express, but I entitled the video as Lazada unboxing because you can find the product on Lazada. And hope you will have fun unboxing with me. And now, before we start, as you can see, I really love the protection of this product. As you can see, the smooth surface of the product is protected by a cellophane, which prevent it from scratching during the shipping of the product. The reason that I choose this PC case is that it has something that jet fighter design. So you know the edges, the side panel has its own curve, extra curve. Another thing is that this PC case has its about 1-inch mount or 1-inch footing. So the main flooring of the PC case is separated from the flooring or the base where you will place your PC case. That's one thing that I love about this PC case. And also in the side panel, from left or right, it has bulge siding. So one thing that I have a struggle is that when I am mounting my big cruiser cooler, is that it's about less than 5 cm close to the side panel, but thanks to that bulge sidings, the CPU cooler fits perfectly. Another thing about this product is that this PC case has its own card reader, so you can insert memory card, adapter, and micro SD card on it. Also, it has a DVD drive slot, which is, I think it is not recommended as of today's requirement, because you can install operating system without a DVD drive or a CD drive. You can just install using a USB. But one thing thing I don't like about the front I/O is that the color coding of the audio jack and microphone jack. Both audio jack and microphone jack and speaker is colored black. Based on my experience for past few days, I struggle a lot finding the right slot for the audio or the microphone. It should be colored pink on microphone jack and colored green on the speaker. From inside, you can find the manual of the PC case, a simple manual, a 2-page manual back to back, and also you can find all the screws for another fan, and a screw for the motherboard, and a screw for HDD or an SSD to be mounted at the side of the PC case. And also, as you can see, the product has supported USB 3.0, which is colored blue. It is much faster than USB 2.0. On the wiring of the PC case, you can find an extra, maybe not familiar wiring or socket. You can find a card reader which can be inserted into the, because commonly there are two USB 2.0 that you can plug into the motherboard. But in this case, the PC case does have a USB 2.0. You can plug the USB 2.0 and also the card reader on the USB 2.0 slot number 2. Yes, you can find the front I/O, the reset, the power on, and the LED for HDD and the power. As you can see, I forgot to include the video, or I didn't have the footage for the installing of the PSU, the motherboard, the SD, or the HDD and other components inside the PC case. But you can find, and that is a pretty common installation, so you can handle it on your own. And also, if you're kind of a guy who wants to showcase the inner components of the computer, it is not recommended for you, because as you can see, the plastic in the center or the side panel of the PC case is dark, and you can barely see the inside component of the PC case. So that's it, guys. So thank you for watching, and hope to please like the video and also consider subscribing to support my channel. We will unbox more computer related products and also for gadgets.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, click subscribe. More to come. Click here to play this video.